In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Airbnbs for 10 months in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning a long-term stay for remote work, a sabbatical, or simply an extended vacation, this guide will help you streamline the booking process. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, head over to the Airbnb website. You can do this on any web browser of your choosing. Once the site is loaded, you'll want to locate the menu icon, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this menu icon, and from the drop-down menu, select the option to either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're a new user. Logging in provides a more personalized experience and ensures your preferences are saved. If you choose to log in using Google, click on the Continue with Google button. This option is great for those who prefer quick access without remembering another password. Once you've clicked the button, select the Google account you want to use. This step will automatically sign you in or create a new account if that option is selected. You're now successfully logged in and ready to begin your search. Find the check-in section on the homepage. When you click this area, you'll see several options. Look for the option that says Months. This feature is designed for longer stays, perfect for our 10-month booking goal. Once selected, you'll see a slider or a plus-minus option to increase the number of months you wish to stay. Adjust this number to 10. After setting the duration, you'll need to choose your starting and end date for your stay. This is important as it helps you see real-time availability and exact pricing for the listings that match your criteria. Carefully select your dates to align with your schedule or plans. With your criteria set, the next step is to click on the Search button. Airbnb will then compile a list of available properties that fit your 10-month duration and chosen dates. Browse through these listings to find the one that suits your needs best. Consider factors such as location, amenities, and of course, reviews from other guests. Remember, reviews can give you insights into the quality and reliability of the listing. Once you've found a listing that meets your requirements, choosing it is as simple as clicking on it for more details. Here, you can view photos, read more in-depth reviews, and even reach out to the host if you have any specific questions or requests. And that's it. Booking an Airbnb for 10 months is simple when you follow these straightforward steps. Enjoy planning your extended stay and all the adventures it will bring. Thanks for watching and happy travels.